Okay. Good.
Yeah. What do you think? It's a little chilly. Millie, Millie. Whoa. Whoa. Look at our aspens. Wow. We have cactus. Our little solar lots. This wind is taking these aspens for a spin. These are all the cactus that we just started growing from these little, I guess, cactus seedlings. I'm not sure, but this is the new tree. Hopefully she grows. There's another one, but there's all these little tinies on the ground there. And then this is where our little roadside stand will go. I think it will look nice, but we get shade from this tree here and I feel like people can see it from the road a little easier. So pretty excited. Really hope it warms up here soon. Morning, girls. Where's your bucket? Where'd you put your bucket? How am I gonna feed you? Oh, Lordy. Maybe it blew away. I don't know. I guess Dixie's getting this. You guys can get the feed. Dixie will like that. All right. How'd it get all the way over here? The ducks can pick things up in their mouth and move it. They do that sometimes. You goobs. I gotta go get the feed. So windy today. Another bucket in here. Man, oh man. All right. All right, here we go. Got to get more feed today. It kind of like fermented. Oh, great. Yeah. You got it, buddy? Holding on. Oh, are you coming in? Okay. Here we go. Okay, you be careful. Good morning. Go ahead. Winnie's excited. Her little tail's wagging. A little cute. Dolly, not yours. Let's see if she's going to be nice when they're up there. Dolly. She ate a giant strawberry, probably. Oh my gosh. The food's over here. Like it always is. There's food over there. Reba found it. Why is everybody congregated here? Dolly, those are the Dolly. Dolly. Now move. Get off, Dolly. Dolly, get off. Dolly, get off. Good Lord. Stop. People are trying to eat. Gosh. Look at her back. Damn it. Dolly?
2 or so high of these, like 2 of them are 23. Do that kind of thing. So
You just do one?
Oh, you could, but you don't want one. Once it falls.
No, I mean one box per side. If they're that long.
Well, I'm saying cut it. That might be too long. I don't know. You tell me that's pretty long. It's huge, but...
I know, we could just do one long box.
Yeah, I guess you could. But realistically, that still is a lot of money. Cause,
No, it's 620. That's not too bad. Because we'll just...
We'd have to, but each side, we'd have to have at least 3, I think.
Yeah, 3 on each side. Millie. Who's that? Who's that?
Too high?
No, 2 boxes on each side.
Yeah, these are kind of short. Is this too short for you?
What do you see, Miss Mills? Full hair.
Look.
What do you see? Candy tuft. Wormwood. Violas. And those are candy tuft and calla lilies. That's a calla lily. And some bluebells. Columbines, I mean. Yeah. We already got one. Say hello, new passenger.
What's a passenger?
Our plant. Look at that. Don't pull on him. Be very gentle.
Did they stick that side
No, we can't touch her. No, no, Delilah. No, no. No, no. Because they're just petting and being nice to each other. Okay, let's go. No. Come on. This way. Oh, look, some cheeses.
Chocolate now.
Huh?
Chocolate now today.
Yeah. I don't know. We just had an eagle come by. He's in the distance there. Lee has advised me that I can't do anything if it got my chicken. But I guess he's right. Kind of a bummer. That beeping's annoying. Let's go inside. Got a few things from Whole Foods and the little local dairy here, but we got some rosemary sourdough bread. We just sliced it there. That was $6. We got some mozzarella medallions for some chicken tonight with some organic balsamic glaze. At the creamery, we got the smoked Gouda. They have their cheeses in stock now, so I'm pretty excited about all the ingredients there. And then we got a thing of A2 milk, thing of chocolate milk for the kids, and I got the new Rowdy Mermaid Lunar Berry. Oh, so that's blueberry, lavender, and vanilla. Pretty excited about that. All right, this sort of happened fast, but we brought some plant starts up from the basement, and then we also went and grabbed 2 more tomato plants. So I think we're doing good. It's just too cold to transfer out. I think the hardier things like spinach, that could go, but cucumbers, you know, they don't like it wet and they don't like it cold. So they're going to stay. Snap peas are going to stay, and CBD is going to stay. Dahlia is going to stay. Basically everything but the spinach. And then we got another variety of tomato. I believe they are the Sun Golds. I'm just not good with the Sun Golds or San Marzano when it comes to seeding, but we do have some sage going in there and some herbs, but hopefully this will be fine. I'm going to get them on grow lights for the night. And then while we were at Home Depot, we got this thing. It's a mess in here because I just rearranged, but we need plant. Oh, I think she's turning the television on. Yeah. We need some live plants, and I thought that would be nice to go right here. We just need a larger pot so the kids don't get into it. And I mean Millie, not the other ones. And then we did get a strawberry just because we had a few come up, but I just want a little bit more. So I'm going to transfer that out. And then I'm going to do a pot of lavender and the pin cushion, the butterfly bushes, or well, they're butterfly blues, they're called, but I think these will be just fine in the cold, but I just want some color out there. And then I will also insert a picture of something else that we looked at. I'm pretty excited because we want to put it in the corner right there. I'm hoping that will show right where my chair is. No, it's not going to show. There we go. Right where my chair and my boot is, that's where we want to put some plants. So again, I will insert the planter and then what we found. It was, I feel like it's a juniper moon glow, but I could be wrong. I love that name, so I think that's why I remember. But that's what's happening right now. I'm pretty excited. This is the extent of our food. The rest will be grown in the little tiny hydroponic in bloom system, and those will just be herbs because I cook with herbs all the time, and if I need anything medicinal, I can just quickly germinate and grow it there, and then I will just transfer them to some, I really like the ceramic pots that have ventilation, or no, drainage, just because I would rather grow in that instead of plastic, but you know, to each their own. Plastic is much cheaper, so if I find them at a thrift store, I will grab them. But yeah, that's the goal, to just transfer herbs and medicinals from here to here in, you know, the small amount of time that will be here.
same old place you always used to go when you were younger. Or speeding through a 50 song like your dad before you didn't even notice. The old man with silver hair sitting in his rocking chair. Soon you'll be there. Although it's easy to remember, it's as easy to forget that it leaves you feeling down and filled with some regrets. All this trick of the memory, we'll call them good old days. Although sweet in the moment, it's poison for you. Same old tune as you heard before, you even knew the language. With every line it brought you back to where the summer never ended. Although it's easy to remember, it's as easy to forget that it leaves you feeling down and filled with some regrets. All this trick of the memory, we call them good old days. Although sweet in the moment, it's poison for you. It's poison for you.
Here it is. I have the cattle paneling there, and then I will have to put one more string here, but I'll just wait until they germinate and mature, and then I will get the beans put in there probably tonight. Might as well start some seeds, huh? It is quite a bit later now, so once it gets dark out, I try my best to not keep any of the lights on. I try my best to stay off of screens, and I try and keep this red light on. So oftentimes I am cooking in the red light, and I know that's a little tricky, so bear with me. I am gonna make some late night cookies so they are ready to go for the week. Here is my little makeshift recipe. We do steel cut oats, an egg, we have butter, chocolate chips, we have honey, we have a little bit of baking powder, vanilla, light brown sugar, and we have flour. And of course I will leave this typed out in the description box, but this is a classic. I've adapted it to meet our needs because we are particular about our cookies. So I'm gonna get this going here, and then I do have to get on the screen and edit a video, so it's limiting, but I do like having that red light on. I find that that's really helpful. I will leave my red light linked, but I don't know, it was sent to me as a gift, so it's a little pricey, and I know a lot of them on the market right now are on sale, so I will link some other options, but I will show you how I put this together.